Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be using this Jenolite waxoil spray to protect the underside of the TT. So if you haven't watched my recent videos, I've just replaced all the back suspension. So what I want to do now is just coat the suspension arms in this waxoil by Jenolite, just to stop them going rusty. So what I need to do is just give the arms a good clean, because I have used the car since then, and we've had rainfall, so it'll be a bit dirty. So I'll give it a clean and then we'll put it on. Right, let's see if this is any good then. Giving it a good shake. But it's a clear wax oil, so just like that basically. Just let it dry. There the areas you want to get in. It goes like yeah, it's like a wax. Just tidies it up, stops it rusting. I'm actually really impressed with this stuff. It's like, I bought 3 tins, but I've hardly used one. Like, you can see. It's gonna focus. So it's just left everything with this coating of wax. That's really good stuff. So this is all now protected. Because the suspension arms do rust from factory, because they don't put like they just paint them with like random paint. It's not really good paint, so it rusts because we're in the UK. But that is really good. Quite happy with that. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe, please like, and that's Jenolite.